Norton's Theorem, Step-by-Step Guide with Example. Norton's Theorem. Any linear, two-terminal network can be replaced by an equivalent circuit consisting of a single current source, that is, Norton current, in parallel with a single resistor, that is, Norton resistance. Problem. For the given circuit, determine the current through the load resistor using Norton's theorem. Solution. Steps to solve a circuit using Norton's theorem. Step 1. Calculate the Norton current. Place a short circuit across the output terminals A and B. Now, let's calculate the total resistance. Next, using Ohm's law, total current is 12 divided by 4, that's 3 amps. Now, apply the current division rule. So, the Norton current, IN, is 2 amps. Step 2. Calculate the Norton resistance. Remove the load resistor and replace the voltage source with a short circuit. Now, let's find the equivalent resistance seen from terminals A and B. So, the Norton resistance, RN, is 4.5 ohms. Step 3. Draw the Norton's equivalent circuit. Connect RN in parallel with the current source IN and then reconnect the load resistor. Step 4. Calculate the load current. Now, using the current divider rule. So, the load current, IL, is 1.5 amps.